Hi everyone, I am at Hobby Lobby doing some shopping, so I thought I would try to record and bring you guys along with me. I am just like loving all of this gingerbread in this whole little section. It's just so cute. Oh snap, that's so funny. Like, look at all these little ornaments. Aren't they just the cutest? So this one is, oh my gosh, it's $3.99 and Christmas is 50% off, so only $2. They're so cute. I want all of them. Look at even that little like Santa mailbox, super cute. Look at this with this big old popcorn. Isn't that so funny? I love that. Or here they are. Or if you want a bunch of beads, they got a bunch of beads. Oh, look at these back here. How cute is that? There's like cake and ice cream and donuts. And a little like macaroons right here. So cute. Then if we turn around this way, it's all like red and white. Really cute. Oh, I love that Merry Christmas up there. That one is $5.99 minus the 50%, so not bad at all. Look at these. I've bought these before and I took them apart and put them on Chunky Charms, so those are $2 right now. Oh, look at these little reindeer. So cute. Oh, I love those little like peppermint ornaments. Really cute. Oh, I'm gonna go right over here right now. I see the My Merry Christmas. That is my favorite collection that they sell here. Look, they have a 12-pack of the 1-inch snowflakes. Those are what, $1.50. We got the peppermint there. Those are $2.50. Let's see. I'm wondering when Christmas is going to hit 60% off, because I feel like it's been at 50 for a very long time. Look at those little Christmas trees. I love those. Look, they have the glitter candy canes over here, so those come out to $2 on sale. The larger peppermints come out to $2.50 on sale. They have a bunch of ornaments, and then down at the bottom right here they actually have the little mini Christmas trees. Those are really cute. So I have actually never seen these little ornament kits at my store, so I thought that was really interesting to see. And these are $15.99, so half off of that. And then they have like little like caps right here. They have these little bows. Oh look, these you open up, and then they have like little poinsettia flowers back there, little deers. These little mini trees are super cute, so half off they are $10. There's pink, green, and there is a white up there as well. And then they do have the larger ones down here at the bottom in all 3 colors, and those are $50 full price with the half off, so they're coming out to $25 right now. If you need some stars, they have a ton of them. Pink, red, silver, white, and gold. And those are actually different prices. So these are $2.99, and then these gold ones are $3.50, and then half off of that price. These little ornaments right here, these little like lights, those are really cute. I use those for Chunky Charms. Oh, I like that trim right there. I don't think I own that. I'll probably pick that up. Oh, and that trim right there with the little bells. That's cute. These I have actually used for Chunky Charms, and I took the lights off. So there's those. Let me see, what's this? Oh, I don't think I've ever seen that before. They are little plastic, like, what are these, like pine cone things? And they're covered in like glitter and snow. So those are, how much is that? $1.50 right now with the sale. Oh, look at these little lanterns. These are really cute. And then there's this. I don't think I have these either. So half off, that's $5 right now. And you can take these off. I might get those too. That'd be cute for a little chunky charm. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these mini little sleighs. I don't think I've ever seen those before either. So those are coming out to $2.50 on sale. They have these really cute little wreaths. There's some little black tags. There's some tiny little gnomes right here. I'm telling you, this is my absolute favorite section. Oh my gosh, look at these little angels. These are so cute. Those only come out to $2 on sale right now. Oh, these little gingies. How cute are these? Oh, those are so cute. Those come out to $3. Oh, look, the little mini candies. So these are 24 pieces for $7. So what is that, $3.50? And then these lollipops come out to $2.50. They have some little balloon animals. Oh, look, the little like gumdrops. Haven't seen those in a while. Those come up to $3. Oh, I don't think I've seen these before. They are like candied little gingerbread men. Those are $2.50. I have definitely never seen this before. Look how cute that is. That's only $2. And then the little snowman. There's some pink little presents right here. Oh my gosh, this store is like fully stocked and loaded with so many items that I haven't even seen before. Like, look at those little like glittery, I don't know, whatever they are, like stars. So cute. Oh my gosh, there's like pineapples and rainbows and just all kinds of stuff. Llamas. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at the little cactus right here. They have lights on them. I'm not like into cactus, but those are super cute. I kind of want those. Oh my gosh, so much good stuff here. This is like my favorite section right here. All the Grinch, and look, they have frozen little snow globes. Olaf is $5. They have Snoopy right there. Then there is a baby Yoda, and then a little llama. So much cute stuff here. Oh, there's little Grinch slippers over here. How cute. Like a little snow globe. Oh, look at the little stocking of Snoopy right here. He is, what, $6.50? Oh, there's Grinch pens and pencils up there. Oh, there's a Max over here. Look at how cute he is. Max is $22, so $11 on sale. They have little crayon sets. Look at these mini ornaments. Those Hallmark ones come out to $10. Then there's Grinch lights right here. Then they have a Grinch snow globe. Oh, he's $9 and then half off of that. So what is that, $4.50? Oh, they have plates. Oh, look at like a little ramen bowl. That's really cute. Oh, there's like peanuts down there. Oh my gosh, on my way to go see the Charlie Brown, I found these little like booths. These are so cute. They are $2.50 right now. Look, they did kind of like a little tier tray right there. Little countdowns. I actually bought this little sign and stuck it on my brother's door, and he just came home one day and was like, what is that? His name is Buddy, so I always buy him Buddy the Elf little items. Oh, there's actually like an ornament. I might need to get that for him. And then here is the little peanuts that I had seen. So they have a little Charlie Brown. He's so cute. There's Rudolph down here. Oh my gosh, there's a dinosaur. There's little signs. So that one says Santa Stop Here. That's really cute. Well, you can see they're getting tons of new stuff. There is just boxes everywhere in the aisles. So I can't wait to see what else they come out with. But look at this cute little like rustic display. I kind of like that tree right there with the berries. Really cute. So look at these. These only come out to $1 right now. So there's Christmas trees. There's gold sequins, large sequins, green. Oh, it says Merry Christmas in gold and then red sequins. That's really, really cute. Oh, look, if you make your own little flowers, these are $1 right now. That's better than Dollar Tree. So definitely come check out and see what you can find here. Look, they have these acrylic ornaments and I kind of want to buy them. I'm going to try to convince my dad to buy me a laser cutter and engraver. So wish me luck if he does. Oh my gosh, I'm in trouble. That's just going to open up a whole new world of crafting for me that I'm kind of really excited about. Oh, look, there's ornament frames. I didn't even know that they had those. That's really cute. There's some metal up there. Oh, you guys want to see my puppy? This is my Zeusy Poo right here. He wears his little skull vest all year long. Oh, pretty puppy. Yeah, he's our spoiled baby. Here's some more Christmas stuff. Really cheap. Those glitter glue pens come out to $1. They have markers, bells, tons and tons of bells in all different sizes. Oh, look, there's some little snow globes down at the bottom that you can go ahead and stick your photo in. Look at how cute those snowmen are. They're all glittery. Those are $11 and half off of those. Got some little nutcrackers you could go ahead and paint. Really cute. Like I said, all Christmas items is half off right now. Look at this little dino kit. Y'all know I need that one. So cute. But then I was looking at these little gingerbread guys up here, and those are $4.50, then half off of that. I was thinking that would be really cute to go ahead and use for some crafting as well. So I don't know. I kind of want everything, but at the same time I know like I need to be good and just go through my stash and use what I have already. But look, there's just so much cute stuff. Like, how can you not want it? And this store's so much bigger than mine. They have so much more stuff. Oh look, I just found like random clearance over there. Let's go that way. Look, there's little crosses on this end cap are on clearance. There's some little signs as well that are on clearance. So stinking cute. Love all of that. We have little buttons over here. You guys know how much I love buying these. My mom uses these all the time. Last year she made a bunch of little, what is it called, snow globes that she crocheted that came out really cute. So I have to see if she wants any of these items. And then look, for that snowman that I showed earlier, they actually have like the little pieces you need right here. So here's his nose, here's his little pipe, so you could go ahead and put him together. Really cute stuff. Look, over here are the little eyes and mouth for the snowman, and those are only $1 right now. So that's really good. Okay, it's getting hard to see what all is available. There are just more and more boxes everywhere. But I kind of found the jewelry section here for the Christmas. I know somebody had bought something that I wanted and I cannot remember right now what it was, but I figured if I came over here and I saw it, I would remember. And nothing is like standing out to me right now, so I'll have to look. Oh my gosh, look, I had got some of these gold Merry Christmas on Temu and they were definitely a lot cheaper, so go check out Temu for that. These little angels are really cute, and I love the little like hollies right here. Kind of want to get those. But yeah, this is as much as I could see in the jewelry section right now. So I actually came in here to check out the jewelry and the clearance, and look, I found little dino sequins. Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Absolutely. I love my dinos. It's only $3.50. And there's this really pretty one up here that is like stars. That one's, how much is that? $4.50. Anything with a yellow label does not go on sale, but everything else in this section is half off right now. So let's see what else I can find. Oh, what is this? Oh, they are like little cups. So that comes out to $4. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can find the clearance, and then I might go back to the Christmas section also. We'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to check this out because I know that they were going to be redoing this whole section because it just had recently done clearance. So just kind of wanted to pop over and see what's new, but let's go over to the clearance section. Well, since this is not my local store, I came to check out the clearance, but look, it is just not happening. The entire clearance section is blocked off by boxes. So that's kind of really a bummer because I wanted to see what they had and I really can't get a look. And the reason why I stopped recording over in the Christmas section was because it kind of looked like this too. There was just a bunch of boxes there in the way. And then, you know, there are people shopping. So I was trying to stay out of the way. So, I think I might be ending this video right here because I don't think I'm going to have much luck. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you later. And maybe I'll try to record when I get home. All right, bye guys. So I decided to come over to the Michaels after the Hobby Lobby and look at all of these little miniature Christmas items. They are so adorable. I just want them all. Oh, it's gonna be so hard not to take everything. They're so cute. Look up there, they even have little mini Nomi homies. Really cute stuff, and it's all 40% off right now.